Most editors think that branding is just about adding a logo, but if your video looks different every time, your client will never see you as a professional. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to instantly make your video look more branded. And at the end of this video, I will show you how to make it even faster. So make sure to stick till the end of this video. Here is the truth, most editors don't care about branding, quite honestly. They change fonts, icons, transition every time they start a new project. And this makes the client brand forgettable, because no consistency equals no trust. So without losing any time, let's start right now. Tip number 1, create a simple brand style guide. Honestly, you don't need a full design team. Just select few elements and reuse them across every video you do for your client. For example, you can pick one font for the titles, one font for the body text, then you choose 2 to 3 colors, and you add transitions and backgrounds which are in the same style. If you don't already have one, create a simple Notion or Figma board where you put fonts and color. That's your mini branded guide. Bear in mind that the power of branding isn't in complexity, it's in repetition. I'm sure you realize that simple editing style came back lately on YouTube. I think it's a good thing because it shows well-branding videos in comparison to complex editing. And I think that the simple branding video will always win against the fancy editing if there is no consistency. Tip number 2, use consistent titles and lower thirds. Don't waste time rebuilding lower thirds animations. Create templates and reuse them for the same client or video series. You can design them once and then just change the text and icons. This will allow you to keep your videos visually connected even if the topics change. If you want to level it up, add subtle animation consistency. For example, you can use the same slide direction, or you can use the same speed graph for all your elements across the video. Now, tip number 3, create intro and outros templates. Intro and outro are the visual signature of a brand, so make sure to keep them short and reuse the same visual pattern every time. Here are some intro examples that I made. Even a simple animated logo with a consistent sound effect does wonder for a brand recall. Now, if you want to take this further, I actually built a full branding kit for editors. It's basically all the elements you'll ever need pre-built inside of After Effects. Ready to use templates such as intros, card animation, lower thirds animation, list animation. Everything you need. Trust me, everything can be changed in one click. Text, icons and colors. Really, you just need to drag and drop animations into your timeline and you are done. Everything I show you in this video can be done manually, but my kit saves you hours and makes your video look instantly high-handed. So that's it for this video. Make sure to use these 3 tips in your next video and you will be surprised of how much more professional it will look. And if you want to avoid all the struggles and skip directly to pro results, my kit will be in the link below. Subscribe for more editing tips and motion design breakdowns. Cheers!